The world is moving fast. Your business needs to move smarter. At Panasonic, we build technologies that leverage complex data pools to drive smarter decisions, helping you prepare for what's next. From the factory floor to 40,000 feet in the sky, Panasonic technologies streamline operations and reduce waste, so you can do more with less. Dependable performance that exceeds expectations. Scalable solutions to meet your needs today and help you build a stronger tomorrow. We help you manage today's costs while preparing for tomorrow's growth. Whether it's solid-state batteries, AI-driven analytics, or connected retail, Panasonic is building the future so you can lead it. More than a solutions provider, see how we're a committed partner that helps your business move forward with intelligence, stability, and vision.